In this video, we're comparing Shopify versus Etsy. Links to the best deals are in the description. Let's get started. Ease of use and setup. Shopify takes a few more steps to get started. You'll sign up, choose a theme, add your products, connect payments, and set your domain. It's still beginner friendly, but you're in charge of the whole setup, which means more flexibility from day one. Etsy is quicker. Create your shop profile, upload your listings, and you're ready to sell. No hosting, themes, or tech setup required. The trade-off is you're working within Etsy's fixed marketplace layouts. Verdict: Etsy is easier for a fast start. Shopify takes longer, but gives you more control. Design and customization. Shopify gives you full creative control. You can choose from hundreds of free and paid plans, use the drag and drop builder, customize layouts, and even edit code for a truly unique design. You can also use your own domain name, making your store fully branded from top to bottom. Etsy is locked into a standard marketplace layout. You can upload a logo, choose banner images, and write product descriptions. But the overall design looks the same as every other Etsy shop. Your store link is also a subdomain of Etsy, which limits branding. The verdict? Shopify wins if you want a unique, fully branded store. Etsy keeps things simple, but you can't stand out visually in the same way. Features and selling tool. Shopify is built for growth. You can add unlimited products, track inventory in real time, recover abandoned carts, and run SEO campaigns, sell on social media, and connect to thousands of apps for extra features. It also supports multi-channel selling, so you can sell through your own store, other marketplaces, and even in person with Shopify POS. Etsy focuses on the essentials. You can list products, tap into Etsy's built-in search traffic, which is huge, run ads on the platform, and offer discounts or restock alerts. It works well for smaller stores, but doesn't have the advanced marketing or automation tools that Shopify does. The verdict? Shopify gives you the flexibility and power to scale. Etsy's advantage is its ready-made audience, but its tools are basic compared to Shopify. Pricing and fees. Shopify has three main plans. Basic is $27 a month and includes hosting, unlimited products, and 24/7 support. Grow is $72 a month and adds more staff accounts plus lower fees. Advanced is $399 a month with advanced reports, even more staff accounts, and the lowest fees. Transaction fees are 2% on Basic, 1% on Grow, and 0.6% on Advanced. Costs are higher at the start, but stay predictable as sales grow. Etsy has no monthly fee on the standard plan, but you pay 20 cents per listing, a 6.5% transaction fee, and a 3% plus 25 cents payments fee per sale. Etsy Plus is $10 a month with extra features and listing credits. Offsite ads cost 15% for smaller shops and 12% for larger shops. These fees can add up for high-priced or high-volume products. Verdict? Etsy is cheaper to start, but Shopify can be better value over time if you sell more. Support and reliability. Shopify offers 24/7 customer support through live chat, phone, and email. There's also a detailed help center, community forums, and quick access to technical help when you need it. If you're on the higher tier plan, you can even get dedicated account management. Etsy mainly relies on email support. You submit a request through their help center, and response times can take a couple of days. Phone support is limited and only offered for specific issues after filling out a form. Verdict? Shopify gives you faster, round-the-clock help. Etsy's support is slower and less accessible, which can be a drawback if you need urgent assistance. Extra perks and unique advantages. Shopify lets you own your customer list, which means you can build direct relationships and run email marketing campaigns. You can connect your store to hundreds of sales channels, integrate advanced apps, and even add features like 3D product previews or augmented reality. The platform scales with your business no matter how big you grow. Etsy's biggest advantage is its built-in audience of millions of active buyers. You don't have to spend as much time or money on marketing to get initial traffic. It's especially strong for handmade, vintage, and niche craft products, making it a great testing ground for new sellers. Final verdict. If you're a beginner selling handmade, vintage, or unique products and want quick exposure without building your own website, Etsy is the easier and faster choice. But if you're serious about building a brand, want full control over your store, and plan to scale over time, Shopify is the stronger long-term option. For many sellers, the smartest approach is to use both. Start on Etsy to tap into its marketplace traffic and build a Shopify store alongside it to grow your brand and customer list for the future. All right, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did and you would like to support us, the best way to do that is to sign up to Shopify using my link in the description of this video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.